little review on this thing. It come in the post the day I bought it. It's advertised for content creators. This basically, right, is a really heavy base, so you can put it on the floor. This goes up, twists all the way around, goes all the way around. You can go that way, you can turn it round, go down. You can easily put your phone in there. It's dead easy, you know, keeps your phone straight. And like I say, you can bend it that way to do over the head shots. You can twirl it round. How cool is that? And this is an extension, right? It's like a pole. You put your foot on there like that. You can pull it all the way up. Comes really, really high. Sturdy. Them are lights as well. So you can go that way. Put your phone that way. You can go up. You can go round, down. Oh, it's just, them actually come off, and then you've got to put them back in actually. I can't do it with one hand, but you get the gist. You can charge them up, them lights. I paid about $100 for it, right? It come in the post within 2 days. I was shocked at how fast it come in the post. And these just slide down, have it anywhere you want. You know, this, you can turn it round to go the opposite way. It's good for overhead shots when you're doing cooking or anything. And you can place it anywhere really, can't you? Like you've seen, I just had it there on the top there. Absolutely love it. Love it. One of the best purchases I've ever made for my my content creating. Oh yes, and I nearly forgot, if you wanted to go and get one, that's what it's called. So Google it.